That was a long goddamn cutscene. I have a whole lot of thoughts about it. Uh, I guess I'll hold on to those thoughts for now until we start playing the game, but I'm gonna assume this is a horror game.
Wait. Please. Where are you going? Oh.
Is cutscene over? Okay, I think I can talk again. Once upon a time, there's a precious little girl. Her friend, the Princess of the Red Rose, was always at her side. Then one day, her mummy and daddy died suddenly. This is like the same thing that they said in the beginning of that cutscene, but she read the book herself about her own situation. I didn't actually test any of the control settings, so I guess I'll go here. Is there a run button? No. There's a cower button. I mean, it plays nicely so far. At least it doesn't feel like tank controls. Doggy, no. I'm coming, dog. I might not be a dog person, but, like, just putting dogs through pain is unnecessary and sad. Like, I'm definitely more of, like, a, I don't know, rodent slash reptile kind of person. How do I... Okay, just X. Oh, no, it's a dog collar. Okay. Boarding pass. We going fishing? Ah, that is the most creative name for dog I've ever heard. Brown. Why are you laughing? What's so funny about that? Is it because the dog's named Brown? That is kind of funny, I guess. You can save your progress by talking to the bucket knights located throughout the game. Oh, this thing? Listen, I know you like sashaying, but, like, could you run a little faster, please? Very nice atmosphere going on, though. Very desolate feeling. I guess that's kind of ruined by my bright purple fucking, you know, avatar, but whatever. Oh, there he is. Here, motherfucker, you got me stranded. That better not be a dog. I'm gonna throw hands with some of these children. Or all of them, actually. Trash. Not ominous at all. Nobody would give a shit. It's an incinerator. They probably burned shit back then. Killed the ozone layer. When it's a bunch of kids and they don't like dogs, I'm very worried for the dog's safety. I would rather not have a JoJo situation. Preferably. You know, they let me in willingly, but they're pretty inhospitable. Empty cages. Once again, getting kind of worried for the dog's safety. Who's having an emergency? Oh shit, there's a bird on my air conditioning unit. Entrance this way. No shit, really? I had no idea. Come back here, you're like half my size. I should be able to outrun you just from my, like, leg proportions compared to yours. Just stride. Stop sashaying. Oh. Oh, hi. That's, spoopy. Watching me piss? Please don't do that. Not unless you're gonna help. I'm assuming the adults are actually the bad guys, right? There's no way the kids can be the genuine bad guys. That guy with the white hair. He screams like creepy old man antagonist energy. Any adult man has the opposite, like any adult man with white hair has the opposite vibe of like an anime protagonist with white hair. Choo choo. Oh, hi. You can actually talk to me? No? If you just walk a little faster. Who makes a map of a building like that? Just gotta find my way on the orphanage map. That sounded more Texan than British, but... So am I gonna get sacrificed, or what's going on here? And the poor little girl was sent away to a strange house. At her new home, the Aristocat Club lived by the rule of Rose. You can just roll the credits right now, that's fine. But the girl found herself very much alone. That's it. There's nothing else. It's a shitty story, kid. I'll give you like a 2 for effort. You will now begin the funeral. Is it mine? I want a nice funeral. Just like tie my body to a ceiling fan and then turn it on. I'm sure nobody's gonna forget that funeral. The funeral is about to begin. Huh. Disappointing. Very disappointing. Is it a dog? It better not be the dog. I will throw fucking hands if it's the dog. Oh, the dog's still alive. We're good. I hear the bark. Better not be doing anything to that dog. Run faster. It is important. The dog might be in danger. Go, dig it up. They better not... It's a little morbid, but they better not have, like, buried the dog alive. This is either going to traumatize her or double traumatize her. Oh, fuck.
Nice throw!
So it was my funeral. Look, but like, are we gonna open the bag yet, or... I guess not.
Good morning, Jennifer. How
Morning.
do you feel? Let's have a little chat, shall we?
What if I say no? Are they gonna kill me?
So that's how you feel, is it?
Yes.
Jennifer, you know you've been a bad, bad girl. And bad girls need to be punished, don't they?
The fuck did I do?
You're a brave girl. Anyway,
Brave or incredibly
I'm the one
stupid?
giving the orders. Now, I'm going to give you your first order. Every month you need to find a gift and bring it to the Aristocrat Club. If you don't, I'll kill you.
Yeah, it's not part of a
Anything
homeowners
about this
association.
You don't understand. You will follow my orders or else. For I am the prince, and the prince rules. This is your life, but you'll play by my rules.
This is monarchy or democracy?
Let the games begin, dear Jennifer.
Congratulations, oh thanks. Should I start clapping now or later? Ah. Mission kill. It was a bucket head, right? Is there a bucket somewhere around here? Trash can? Oh, wait, it's on the chair. Yo, you got talking trash cans? I didn't realize I was in this game. But yeah, I didn't pay attention to it. Any item you collect can be stored in this rubbish bin. If you can't find a bin, just select an item from the menu screen, select drop, and the item will be stored here. I don't need to stock an item. Oh god, I hate inventory management. Oh no. There you go, pal. Handsome as ever. Or pretty, whichever you prefer. Is that meta? Oh, clues. Okay. Good, because I'm stupid. Alright. Is there something I can, like, step on? Can I grab the chair? And, like, move it? No? Oh, the door's just open. Wait, was the sack back in there? I didn't actually pay attention. I saw it in the cutscene. The coffin should be in there, right? Somewhere? No? No, okay. Maybe I was looking at that basket. No, wait, there it is. What's in there? Oh no. Oh no. Let me in. Let me in! I don't care if it traumatizes her. I gotta make sure the dog is safe. Although it does kind of look empty. Still feel bad. Damn, okay. You could have just locked the door. You were invited to the Aristocrat Club. Or Aristocrat. Aristocrat's a movie. Wait, can I take that chair? There's gotta be something I can step on. Like, to get those scissors. I feel like I need them for my own protection. Bro, just lock the fucking door. The other one was locked, so clearly you can. Butterfly. Can I use this broom as a weapon? Sweep away the competition. Find a gift of the month. All members must participate. Tardiness, stealing, and cheating are prohibited, but that's the fun part. Junk, toys, and more. No refunds, only exchange. Red crayon aristocrat. Is it an advertisement? Which way is the Aristocrat Club? This way? I think it's this way. Where does it lead? I don't know. Let me go over there and I'll check. This narrator's mad annoying sometimes. Hey. Anything in the box? A beautiful butterfly. What? So I have to catch that butterfly? The neon green motherfucker? Okay. So I need to find a Met. A Met. The Mets, baby. The Mets. Need to grab a net. I see you. Can I open the door? I scare the shit out of them? Knock knock, motherfucker. No, I can only look through. Alright, that's fine. I see anything else? Oh, okay. Woo! I can go into places now. That's fine. Don't look inside. Just open the door slightly. That's okay.
How dirty.
Wow, fuck you too, buddy.
Dirty wretch. Why are you always shirking your duties?
Have we met before, sir? You know what? Just annoy you. Yeah, you don't like the noise, huh? Better go get some WD-40. Bitch. Library we can't go in. What about this one? Oh wait, no, that's the same exact room that we were just in. I don't know, I still think he's an antagonist. I mean, he's clearly an antagonist of some kind, but I mean, like... I'm stupid. I'm really fucking... I need some more caffeine. Hold on. There we go. Okay, deal with my own shit. Okay. Is there any other doors down this way? Not one that I've already gone in. What is that, library? I checked that one. Can I check this one? Ooh, aw. Got my hopes up. How the fuck? Being a blimp? What that was a joke. That was a haha funny. That was not, seriously, I didn't actually think we were in a blimp. Fuck. Okay, the green butterfly, yes. Yeah, okay, but, like, how the fuck do I get the butterfly? I'm just gonna have to, like, backtrack and look through every single, like, room on my way back. There's another room here. VIP. I'm not special enough. Are, like... I mean, I guess it's technically an airship, so there's some suspension of disbelief there. But, like, can blimps get this fancy? Didn't people used to, like, ride in blimps for fun? And, like, travel or whatever? Now they're just used for advertisements? Hello? Okay. Oh, you're joking. I'd have to search through all that? Oh, hey. No, it's mine. Urgency. Sachet urgently. You motherfucker. Oh, but I don't have the scissors. No, fuck, I can't cut it down. No, no, no. Oh, poor dog. I'm coming for you. I'm gonna get the scissors. Alright, I swear. Is there no way for me to even get inside? Oh. Poor puppy. Ah! Okay, find the butterfly, get the scissors. Not necessarily in that order. Who? Your mom. Sorry to disturb you, but I'm actually not sorry. Is that wine?
She's such a pain.
Who? Give me wine. I don't want to talk to you, I want the wine. New girl, is that mine? Can I sleep there? Do I get to take some of the wine since it's in my room? Are those goats? Are those supposed to be goats? Is that Miss Polygon a goat? That one's so, like, freaky, but then this one's totally fine. What the fuck? Hello?
You're the new girl, aren't you?
Oh, so that is my bed. Okay.
I'm Wendy. It's nice to meet you.
Someone's actually nice to me? Well, you might be dying of some
She
unknown
feels
illness?
unwell when she's lonely. Are you sad when you're alone?
No. I'm a fucking Twitch streamer. I like being alone. I have no social life. Thomas. You gonna be rude?
A new girl. A new girl.
You are clearly voiced by a middle-aged man, just kind of pitching his voice up. A new girl! Like, what the fuck? You say anything else?
What's she like?
What's she like? British. I am a British child. Tea and crumpets. Please, sir, may I have some more? Oh, writing. Cloverfield. Alright, that was the name of the chapter, so I guess I'll go there. Who the fuck is crying? Ah, boy. You killed the butterfly? God damn. Give me that butterfly. Yes. Wow, fuck you too, buddy. I could take her. Free fork. I can stab people with a fork? Best game. 10 out of 10. I hope that doesn't affect, like, the value of the butterfly. Oh god, does that mean I have to do combat? Copper leaf. Okay. Do I have to collect, like, 4 of those, I'm guessing? I am looking for items. Nothing to see here. Soap? Huh. I don't like that. I just want the soap. I wash my fucking hands. Maybe they'll stop calling me dirty. Hello. Oh god.
Did you hear the news?
Stop scratching your ass. It looked like the old orphanage. I don't see it. I think you're just seeing things. Like you probably just, you know, thought you saw my neck, just kind of levitating above my body. You did not see that. Take my chances and look at the map. Which way did I just come from? Where's the clover room? This way, right? Okay, no, that was the other place. Central Sterry, fuck, how big is this airship? Too big for me to fucking navigate, that's for sure. There's a lift? Sector 13 lift? Maybe we'll try for that. If we can get there. So I'm probably gonna want to go... Oh. Am I blind? Were you there before? Hello? Hello? Can I not interact with you? Oh. A very specific hitbox. Oh, I feel bad for you.
Filthy wretch.
I no longer feel bad for you. How do I attack? What is stab? What is stab? Let's go this way. I don't think I went that way. I think I went directly for the clover field before. Smoking room. Right? Then we will be good. Hopefully. Oh, it's fucking locked. God damn it. Okay. Plan B. There is no plan B. Let's go to plan C, which is make something up. Unless I have to backtrack to go release the dog to get the scissors and release the dog. I'm assuming if I wasn't meant to go back, it would stop me somehow from going back, right? I'm not about to, like, backtrack and then... Do you mind? I still don't know how I'm supposed to be getting the scissors if they're just out of reach. Because I can't just grab a fucking chair, apparently. Oh, wait, I have the butterfly. What am I doing? Where's the offering room? I just go back to the offering room. Duh. Might as well throw the clown nose on right now. This way, I think? Yeah. I'm sorry, dog. No, wait, not that way. Not that way. Back! So where was the sign actually pointing to? That way? You... Ooh, hi. What the fuck? Hold on the R1 button, and then press X to attack. Okay. Oh boy. Uh-oh, this is clunky as fuck. I wasn't expecting it to get so supernatural so soon. His fucking scream. You dead? Can I loot your corpse? No. Shame. Thought that I'd think a weird possessed child with no eyes is gonna have much to loot, but you know. You know, get reading practice in, that's fine. That's a different book. Maybe I should be listening to that. Well, I mean, you know, it's a butterfly. Fuck you too, buddy. I don't even want to join your stupid club. You kidnapped me, bitch. Can I at least, like, do something with the butterfly? Ooh, is that a key? Is that a key or the stem to the clover? It's one of the two. There you are. Ah, one leaf key. One leaf clover adorns the end of it. Can I? Oh, so that's the one leaf door, and then I gotta collect the rest of the pieces of the clover to get the. I'm assuming one of the other keys, maybe.